Patients that are interested in a smile makeover come in different shapes and forms. For one patient, bleaching may be all they need to create a beautiful smile that they're ecstatic about. Other patients may need a single crown, a veneer, a bonding, and then there are patients that need full mouth. And we have the ability to be able to simulate what they want on a computer, have them look at it so that we get a treatment plan to rebuild their smile. And that can be in the form of crowns, it can be in the form of veneers. And one of the most rewarding things that we do in dentistry for myself and especially for the patient is a full smile makeover, where we take a patient that is unhappy with their smile and they become ecstatic and they can't smile enough. That's the most rewarding times that we have in our office for the patient, for myself, and for our staff.